skies. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the road, turn us again with his shrill call into perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget that crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for having a last bite. This time we'll start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers in disguise. Back to the sharp grin of everyday life, wearing our armors cold as ice. Two perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget our crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for taking that last bite.